गजाननं भूतगणादिसेवितं कपित्तजम्बूफलसारभक्षितम् उमासुतं शोकविनाशकारणं नमामि विघ्नेश्वर पादपङ्कजम्। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। सर्वं खल्विदमेवाहं नान्यदस्ति सनातनम्। अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमाधिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी। Last class we learnt from 87th verse. मूल प्रकृतिरव्यक्ता व्यक्ता व्यक्तस्वरूपिणी व्यापिनी विविधाकारा विद्या विद्यास्वरूपिणी महाकामेश नयन कुमुदाह्लादकौमुदी भक्तहार्दतमो भेद भानुमद्भानुसन्ततिः. Okay, so we have done till here. These verses said that Amma is the foundation of everything that we come across in our life. Everything that we see, all that is seen and all that is not seen also. Vyakta, avyakta. All the knowledge and all that we don't know, ignorant of. That is also Amma only. Everything is form of Amma. And she is the one who brings happiness and gives knowledge to us. Kumud ahlada kaumudi. Just like how the flower blossoms in the moonlight, it is so pleasant and so it makes us so happy. So it brings happiness to Mahakamesha himself. And she removes all the ajnanam, tamas that is in the devotee's heart. Bhakta, harda, tamo, bheda. She destroys completely. Like the sun, Bhanu, how a sunlight dispels all the darkness of night. So Amma's grace and blessings can remove all the ignorance that a devotee has. Right? Let us do new verses. Do you have any questions?
No, auntie.
No? You're clear? Fine. Let us start with the new verses this week. From 89th. Who would like to volunteer? Okay, Yagna, let's start. Shivaduti,
Shivaduti, Shivaduti,
Shivaradhya,
Shivaradhya, Shivaradhya,
Shivaduti, Shivaradhya,
Shivaduti, Shivaradhya, Shivaduti, Shivaradhya,
Shivamurti,
Shivamurti, Shivamurti,
Shivankari,
Shivankari, Shivankari,
Shivamurti, Shivankari.
Shivamurti, Shivankari.
That sound is there, right? Near the H. That we should just pause it like that. Shivamurti, Shivankari. It's like the Visarga we say in Sanskritam. Where two dots will come for the letter Ha sound. like Ramaha, Krishnaha. So that is that Murtihi, Murti Shivankari. Okay, Shivamurti Shivankari.
Shivamurti Shivankari.
Also, when the after the ha sound there is the sh sound, we have to stress this Shivankari. There should be little more extra. Instead of just saying Shivankari, it will be Shivankari, like that. Let's say once again. Shivamurti Shivankari.
Shivamurti Shivankari.
Once more.
Shivamurti Shivankari.
Shivaduti Shivaradhya.
Shivaduti Shivaradhya. Shivaduti Shivaradhya.
Shivamurti Shivankari.
Shivamurti Shivankari.
Once more.
Shivamurti Shivankari.
Shivapriya.
Shivapriya. Shivapriya.
Shivapara.
Shivapara. Shivapara.
Shivapriya. Shivapara.
Shivapriya. Shivapara. Shivapriya. Shivapara.
Shishteshta.
Shishteta. Shishteta.
Take the A sound that is here. Shishteshta. A and E becomes A. So, Shishteshta.
Shishteshta. Shishteshta.
Shishtapujita.
Shishtapujita. Shishtapujita.
Shishteshta. Shishtapujita.
Shishteshta. Shishtapujita. Shishteshta. Shishtapujita.
Shivapriya. Shivapara.
Shivapriya. Shivapara. Shivapriya. Shivapara.
Shishteshta. Shishtapujita.
Shishteshta. Shishtapujita. Shishteshta. Shishtapujita.
Aprameya.
Aprameya. Aprameya.
Swaprakasha.
Swaprakasha. Swaprakasha.
Aprameya. Swaprakasha.
Aprameya. Swaprakasha. Aprameya. Swaprakasha.
It is aprameya. We have to extend it. Aprameya swaprakasha.
Aprameya. Aprameya. Swaprakasha.
Swa means self.
Aprameya. Aprameya. Swaprakasha.
Yes, Nana. See, whenever there are two A's, it is like we have to elongate the sound. See, here there is only one A. So, apra, A, single A, right? But when there is two A's, meya, we say. Prakasha, we should say. Aprameya swaprakasha.
Aprameya. Swaprakasha. Aprameya. Swaprakasha.
Prakasha, prakash, right? Prakasha. Okay. Mano vachama.
Mano vachama. Mano vachama.
Gochara.
Gochara. Gochara.
Mano vachama gochara.
Mano vachama gochara. Mano vachama gochara.
Yes. Aprameya swaprakasha.
Aprameya swapakasha. Aprameya swapakasha.
Mano vachama gochara.
Mano vachama gochara. Mano vachama gochara.
Good. Chichakti.
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 Chetana Rupa.
Chetana Rupa. Chetana Rupa.
Chichaktischetana Rupa.
Chichakti.
Tish sound you should bring there. Chichaktish you should say.
Chichakti Chetana Rupa.
Yes. Once more.
Chetana Rupa.
Jada Shaktir.
Jada Shaktir. Jada Shaktir.
Jadatmika.
Jadatmika. Jadatmika.
Chichaktischetana Rupa.
Chichakti Chetana Rupa. Chichakti Chetana Rupa.
Jada Shaktir Jadatmika.
Jada Shakti Janatmika. Jada Shakti
Correct. Jadatmika.
Jadatmika.
Okay.
Jada Shakti.
Good. So what these verses are saying is, Amma is Shivaduti. Who is Shivaduti now? Shivaduti is the energy. Yeah, Akshaya? Who is Shivaduti?
The Amma,
Amma. Which form of Amma? Who is she?
the Kameshwari,
Kameshwari. She is the main Tripura Sundari. But Shivaduti is one form of who came from Kameshwari. Yajna, you want to say who is Shivaduti? You raised hand.
I think it's like Parvati.
Parvati Devi? Yes, everything is energy only, Shakti only. So as we saw, all it is only Amma is the foundation and all different energies are like rays of sun. Different energies. So she is Shivaduti. So Shivaduti is the energy of Amma who is in Tithi Nitya Devatas. We saw, right? So many Tithi Nitya Devatas. As per the moon phases, so many energies are there, right? So in the Tithi Devatas that we have, so these are the 15 Devatas. The center is Mahakameshwari. So in that, the 7th Tithi is Shivaduti. See here, can you see? Shivaduti. So she is the 7th phase of moon. Okay. So as it goes, Kameshwari, Bhagamalini, Nityaklinna, Bherunda, Vanhivasini, Maha Vajreshwari, Shivaduti. She is the 7th phase of moon as during the waxing phase. And also in the story where Amma fights with all the asuras in Devi Mahatmyam, so many asuras come one after another. Chandamunda, Raktabija, Dhumraksha, like that. So after that, the asuras called Shumbha and Nishumbha comes in the story where she fights. So all the demons are being killed by Amma, right? Different forms of Amma. In that, so while the turn of fight with Shumbha and Nishumbha comes, Amma first decides, I will first warn them. And then if they correct themselves and if they become good guys, then I'll just forgive them. If they still don't listen to me, then I will kill them. So for that, to tell them to not do all such fights and all, Amma sends a messenger that don't do all these things, be good guys, like that. So she sends a messenger. So the Devi who comes from the Parashakti, the Devi who comes to send the messenger is called Shivaduti. So Duta we say, right? Duta means a messenger. Like Rama Duta, we say to Hanuman. Like he was the messenger who came to Sita Mata from Rama. So he is the Duta. So here Shiva becomes the Duta. And the Devi from Amma who came and who sent Shiva to Shumba and Nishumba is called Shivaduti. Right? So this is Shivaduti. So she sends messenger, the Shiva. So Shivaduti. Then Shiva Aradhya. So Shiva himself prays Amma. Shiva also needs energy, right? So even in our first yagna, when it started, Maha Yagnam was happening, right? Where all the devas fell into the fire ritual. So then Shiva only performs the yagna, see? So she is being worshipped by Lord Shiva himself. So Shiva Duti, Shiva Radhya, then she is form of Shiva, Shiva Murti. Shiva means all auspiciousness, all that is good to us, all that will make us happy. So she is the form of that who can bring happiness and auspiciousness to us. And also the form of Shiva. Shiva is actually avyakta, no form. But she is, whatever we see, all the forms is Amma. So she is Shiva Murti. She is the form of Shiva himself. We saw right earlier, Vyakta, Avyakta. So all that is not seen and seen. So all that we see is form of Shiva only. So she becomes Shiva Murti. And she causes all the auspiciousness. So Shivankari. So she does all the goodness to us. So Shivaduti, Shivaradhya, Shivamurti, Shivankari. Then she is Shiva Priya. She is so dear to Shiva. Also, Shiva is so dear to her. So both ways we can take. Both are one, right? So Shiva is dear to her and she is dear to Shiva. Shiva Priya, Shiva Para. Shiva Para means always she feels Shiva is the greatest. Shiva is the ultimate. So she always, because she likes him. So if anybody asks who is great, she'll always say Shiva is the greatest. So she always did tapas, right? Who is doing the coloration? Okay. So she says she is called as Shiva Para. So she feels she has that Shiva is ultimate. So when she was doing tapas also, Shiva himself disguised himself and came and says, Shiva is very bad. Why do you want to do meditation on him? Why do you want to do so much penance? He doesn't have any knowledge. He doesn't have any richness. Nothing is there. Why you want to do? Then she says no. She starts scolding even Shiva, who disguised and came to her in different form. So she cannot tolerate anything bad told about Shiva. So Shiva is greatest for her. So she is Shiva Para and Shishteshta and Shishta Pujita. Shishteshta means she is, Ishta means again liking. She likes whoever follows what is said in our scriptures, all the shastras. Shishta means all the shishtacharas, whatever is prescribed by our Vedas and scriptures. Whoever follows them, she likes it. So Shishta, Ishta. She likes all the shastras, whatever is prescribed. Shishta Pujita. So all those people who follow and worship Amma, she accepts their worship. Shishteshta, and all those peoples, the people who worship her, all the Shishta Pujita. She accepts their pujas, worshipping. So Shishteshta, Shishta Pujita. Then she is Aprameya. Aprameya means she is unlimited, right? She is infinite, everything. And so she is boundless. We cannot hold her. She is infinite. We cannot measure her, immeasurable. So she is Aprameya. But what we are doing, we are trying to give her a form and make her limited. But she is actually infinite energy. So she is Aprameya. Swaprakasha means self-radiant, self-effulgent. She doesn't need, see, for us to shine or see light anywhere, we need a bulb and torch or tube light, something. or to illuminate the world, we need sun to see, to bring light, correct? But Amma is self-effulgent, self-illuminating. She doesn't need any external torch to bring radiance from her. So she's Swa Prakasha. Swa means self and Prakasha, illuminating. So Amma is self-illuminating. She doesn't need any other external thing for the illumination or to shine. Next is Mano Vachama Gochara. That means Amma is unlimited. As we saw, she is aprameya. She is unlimited. And she cannot be known so through this mind and body, which are limited objects. Then Chichakti. So she is the Chichakti. She is the Shakti, which is the energy that makes the whole universe run. So everything, plant, animal, or anything that is having life force, is the Chichakti, that consciousness that is in everything, that only runs this world. So she is that Chichakti, Shakti. Chetana. Chetana means all that is moving. Like we are moving hands, we are human beings, we move, right? Chetana. So she is the form of all that brings movement to us. Chetana Rupa. See, if I want to drink water, it moves, right? Our hand moves like this. So that form of movement is also Amma. And Jada Shaktir Jadatmika. Jada means non-moving. Like our hand is moving, but our bones in our body, they are not moving here and there, right? So they have to be in one place. So few things have to be at one place. Few things are moving. So two are there. Like a mountain will be stable. It doesn't move. Trees are not moving. So all that is moving and all that is non-moving. Jada and Chetana, both are Amma only. She is the core of everything. And she is the energy in everything. All that is moving, all that is non-moving, Jada, Chetana, in everything, consciousness is there. Chichakti is there even in the mountain, even in stones, everywhere Chichakti will be there. Okay? So consciousness is there in everything, and that energy is the one which moves the moving things, and that is the energy that is in non-moving also. So energy is one, that is the one that brings movement and non-movement also. Now if we are sitting here, so we are not moving. So the energy that makes us not move is also Amma. That is the Chichakti. Got it? Energy is one, that is the Chichakti. That is what brings the movement and non-movement also. Everything is Amma only. There is no other thing. Nanyatasti Sanatan. There is no other thing. Only she is there. Right? Any questions?
No, auntie. No, auntie.
Oh, so you guys are so smart. You are getting everything. Great. Okay, then let us revise the verses. Chant together. Okay. Shivaduti Shivaradhya Shivamurti Shivankari Shivapriya Shivapara Shishteshta Shishtapujita Aprameya Swaprakasha Manovacha Magochara Chichaktaschetana Rupa Jada Shaktir Jadatmika. One more point I just remembered. The Shivaduti, she's the messenger, right? So how we can take for ourselves is Shivaduti. So Amma comes in the form of Shivaduti like the Guru. So she comes in the form of Guru. She sends the Guru as messenger to us to bring us knowledge. And so that Shivaduti is also the form of Guru who can give us knowledge. and enlighten us. So Shivaduti is also considered like the energy of Guru. Okay. Okay. Who would like to volunteer and chant individually? Okay, Akshaya, start from 89th.
Auntie, can I?
Yeah.
Shivaduti Shivaradya Shivaduti Shivaradya Shivamurti Shivankari Shivapriya Shivapara Shishteta Shishta Pujita
Yes.
Aprame Aprameva
Yeah.
Aprameya Auntie,
Yeah. Swaprakasha.
Swaprakasha Manovachama Gochara
Chichaktish.
Chitshakti Chetanarupa Jada Shakti Jadatmika.
Very good. Excellent. Good job. Next. Okay, Tarun.
Can I go?
Yes, Nana. Later. Let Tarun take.
Ma'am, can I volunteer?
Yes. Next. After Tarun.
Shivaduti Shira Aratya Shivamurti Shivankari Shivapriya Shivapara Shishta Ishita Shishta Pujita Aprameya Swaprakasha Manovachama Gochara Chitta Shakti Chetana
Shakti.
Chit Shakti Chetana Rupa Jara Shaktir Jaratmika.
Yeah, it was little confusing, right? Chichakti. We have to stress there so that cha sound comes here. Chichakti. And also Shishteshta. Okay, Tarun? You have to just be aware. Right. So who wanted next? Is it
Rahasha.
Rahasha? Okay.
పాడు నాన్న స్టార్ట్ చేయి శివ 89 శివదూతి
Shivaduti Shivaradhyaya.
No, not ya.
రాధ్య అంతే
I want to say it 2 times.
మళ్ళీ ఫస్ట్ నేను చదువు
No, it's okay, Andy. నేను చెప్తాలేండి.
Shivaduti Shivadraya Shivaradhyaya.
No, ya is not there. Shivaradhya. Yes.
Shivamurti Shivankari
Yes.
Prameya
శివప్రియ
Shivapriya
Shivapara.
Shishteshta Shishta Pujita
Yes.
Aprameya Shvapakasha Prakasha
Prakasha.
Anovacha Magochara Chichat Shaktishtana Rupa
Yes.
Jada Shaktir Jadatmika.
Very good. Very good. Good job. Okay, next.
Ma'am, can I volunteer?
Yes, Vishisht.
Okay. Shivaduti Shivaradhya Shivamurti Shivankari Shivapriya Shivapara Shishtesha Shivapujita Meya Swapra Manovacha Kuchara
Chichakti.
अनारूपी जनात्मिका.
Your voice was breaking in between.
Oh, one minute. I'll just check my network.
Yeah, it is better now, I guess.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah, we should tell again. Okay. शिवदूती शिवाराध्य शिवमूर्ति शिवांकरी शिवप्रिया शिवपरा शिवशिष्टिष्ट शिष्ट पूजिता
Aprameya.
सर्व स्वप्रकाश मनोवाचमगोचर
Yes.
चिच्चक्ति
Chit-Shakti. Yeah.
चिच्चक्ति चेतना रूपा जडाशक्ति जडात्मिका.
Good, Nana. Very good. You brother and sisters are very cooperative, right? Very nice. Okay.
Auntie, I'll go.
Okay, Anju. Please go ahead.
Shivaduti Shivaradhya Shivamurti Shivankari Shivapriya Shivapara Shishteshta Shishtapujita Aprameya Swaprakasha Manovachamagochara Chichaktischetana Rupa Jada Shakti Jadatmika.
Perfect. Very nice. Okay. We'll stop here. Let's do the final prayers. अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करः प्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके देवि नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्तिः 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 श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम्.